time to eat. There's Gracie. Gracie, are you hungry? Okay. Here's your supper. There's your supper, Gracie. Eat your supper. Gracie, go back there and eat your supper. Gracie. Okay. Come on. Eat your supper. You need me to stand right here and watch you eat your supper? Okay. I'm here. I'm still here. Yeah, I'm still here. I'm still here. Yep, I'm still here. No, I was trying to get away from the bowl so I could get your whole body in the picture. All right, now you just eat the rest of your food, okay? Gracie, go eat your supper, Gracie. Go eat your supper. Okay, let's go back in the kitchen. All right, I'm watching you. Don't worry. Eat your supper, Gracie. Eat your supper. Eat your supper. Come on. Here's your supper. Come on. Eat your supper, Gracie. Gracie. Eat your supper. Here you go. Eat your supper. I'm here. I'm right here. So, I have to stand here and watch her the entire time she eats. I can't walk off. Gosh, I love her.